Got a 17.5 Briggs and Stratton engine here. It's been surging on me, and the only way I'll run smoothly is I have a little bit of the choke on. So I believe it's starving for fuel. You see a lot of guys, they drill out the jet and to alleviate that problem, but I think the seat's bad in this too. Occasionally I get it leaking past the carburetor into the crankcase, and I've taken it apart a few times and messed with it. But decided to put this AE Power carburetor on and give it a try. I did open it up. The bowl and the housing inside is all plastic. You can't take the jet out or anything, but it does have some adjustments on here, unlike that one. So we're gonna take this off and give this one a try. First I'm gonna disconnect the hose. I ran it until I ran it out of gas. Might be a little bit in here. We can get her off there. There we go. There's a little bit. We'll just hang it up high. And you got two 7/16 nuts. Got the solenoid down there, and there's two 3/8 bolts holding the intake on. Can't see them from that angle. Trust me, they're back there. Now you can see we got the throttle cable and the choke cables. Leave the choke cable, we can just kind of twist it there. It comes off. Oops. Slides in the slot right here. We'll put that back on there. Who is it?
Yeah.
What you doing?
Work.
Once we get it off, you gotta take an 8mm deep well and take these bolts out. I'm gonna try to save the gaskets on the intake at least. I'm not sure if it comes with the new carburetor or not. You got a gasket here on the intake. There's another one. It's an O-ring on the other end that goes up to the breather. And then you got this one between the intake and the carburetor. Like I said, I just had this apart not too long ago, so it's a pretty new gasket. I'm gonna bring the two carburetors over the bench and kind of compare them. So let's head over there. Okay, we got both the carburetors on the bench here. And at first glance, you kind of can see that the openings here look pretty much the same. You got the recesses for the bolts here. With the top, pretty much looks the same for your throttle and your choke. Got your adjustment screws for your idle and your air mixture. Inlet's the same for the fuel. If I get to the back here, looks like they got machining's a little different. I don't know much about carburetors. I can adjust a float and maybe fix a seat or drill out a jet, but I don't know much about them. But the passages here are a little different from the solenoid. Other than that, looks like he'll fit. So we're gonna put it on there and give it a try. Just so I'll hold our gasket in place while we're back together. Goes all like that. Our 8mm here to tighten it back up. Just snugly. It's aluminum. Don't want to break it. Throttle and spring. Go on this one. Let this rest here. Remember, right? This. There. You got a little slot on this plate where it goes into. I thought there went into. Yep. It was easier to push it through the other way. They're on there. I'm gonna go ahead and just stick this connector for the air breather on. Get it into place. Hopefully. Too much trouble. Put our 3/8 bolts back in there. I probably should look, see if the gasket was in there. I believe done. I'll see you laying around anywhere. Don't run right, we'll know. Well, show me next time. Figures filmed. There we go. It's just an awkward spot. A lot of people will take the whole top off here to get it. I just thought it'd be easier this way. And it is. Somewhat. Snug these down. Torque. And don't forget your wet pipe. There. Fuel line back up. Well, the solenoid first. Just a hope. There it goes. Turn our fuel on, see if we got any leaks. I'm gonna open the garage door, so I'll kill myself. after installing the AE power carburetor for this Briggs and Stratton engine. It doesn't perform like I'd like. After adjusting it a little bit, it does run better than the previous carburetor did. Don't need to have the choke on for it to run smoothly at high RPM. So we're going to leave it at that for now. I'm going to try eventually to maybe drill out the jet in the other carburetor and try putting it back on. Still seems like it's not getting enough fuel. But for now, I think this will be a little better, and we'll see if it keeps if the seat keeps the gas from leaking into the crankcase. Had a problem with that. That's why I put this on there. Other than that, I believe we're done here. We'll catch you later.